So, today's little film, I'm going to stuff you down my trousers, down the top of my shirt. Right, I'm going to stuff you down the top of my shirt. I'm going to connect the bottom bit to my belt. So you're on the selfie stick. Oh, let me stuff that in there. Right, I'm going to put it there. Hopefully, you'll be able to see now. There we are. So today's 360 film, you're about head height, so I don't bang you in the doors. Let's go in here and let's have a good 360 look around. Yeah. So, let's see how this looks like. Of course, we've been doing these, haven't we? We've been doing these and preparing the tubs. So these are quite good. Let me put you that way a bit. Is that better? Yeah. We've been getting all these ready, haven't we? Working on that. We've cleaned those ready to start. I'm working on the shelves. I don't know what this is going to look like. Now it's oh, that's an heavy one. Oh, we don't want them too heavy. We're going to continue along there, aren't we? We've got 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to be all right. Yeah. And you remember a year ago? Who knew? Look at them getting full already. Wow. And I think all these red ones are already full now. Who knew that? Yeah. So we started with that. We sort of landed on that size, didn't we? Because that was already there. And then we worked to the corner and we brought that to where the building, I don't know if you can see how the building comes in there slightly. Unfortunately for us, it was just the right size. So, a bit of good fortune there, wasn't it? I didn't really measure it, it just landed where it fitted. Usual, we've got to do those shelves, finish tidying up. Obviously, we had previously done these drawers, hadn't we? And you've seen all those, haven't you? And that's good. I'll tidy the wood slightly. Remember, we had a whole load of wood right to the top. It's gone now. Still a V, never mind. There's room for other stuff when it comes in. So anyway, here is the back. And here is the greenhouse. The greenhouse, the Reggie wall, remember? We had the spare. We did this with the windows out the house. Remember, I digged the footing. Oh, all that hard work. That was lockdown, wasn't it? Dug the footing along here. And then we had a load of garbage we buried under this floor. That's why this floor is much higher than that floor. Can you see? Yeah. And a Reggie wall here. A mini vine coming along. See if it's got any life in it. Oh yeah. The gnomes are in for the winter. Let's have a look from there. He looks great from there, doesn't he? Doesn't he look great? He looks fantastic from there. Wow. Yeah. So let's go through. We got given. That's why this wall's here. We were given a door and a window. Lance's granddad. So it made the wall that much cheaper. The door is there simply, and the window is there simply because it's cheaper than that space was given to us. Cheaper than blocks. And of course, we used the windows out the house, didn't we? When we changed the windows in the house, built the greenhouse. It's standing up pretty good. Nick gave us this, didn't he? And we extended. This was that bit there, and this window, by pure fluke, has fitted that. That was just pure fluke. We just found one that fitted and put it in. Yeah. And we wanted to extend it a little bit further. So these are top opening windows. Turned open, took off the frame, turned upwards. That's what that is. Then of course the IBCs. Yeah, we had one. And it was such a success we put 2 in. Yeah. And we have a good flow of water coming out of there now. This is Debbie's tent. Yeah. One day, the next big project will be turning the tent into we've got a small problem. These drips. It's dripping off the top here, look. Dripping off there, and the rust is going drop, 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 drop. Yeah. So this is Debbie's tent. It's about 3 years old. It is fantastic. It's really done well. We might get one more year out of it because it's had a few storms, a few batterings. Okay, it's sort of protected behind the big door. This big door, these two doors open. Let me just show you. You've probably seen before. This is where we used to keep the vans. Yeah. Got this it's down the back of the driveway. This door opens. That's down the driveway, look. Anthony's just coming back. Yeah. And then in here we keep the Goldwing. Yeah. Wind's a bit blowy. Let's get in here. This is the Goldwing. But oh, do you know, I don't know how this is going to focus or how it's going to work, if it's automatic or something, but I just like going along, watching, looking at the nuts and bolts, seeing what's available. Just, you know, what's in the jars, what's been collected over the years, what's in the stores. I just like, you know, when they go all the way down to the bottom. Let me see if I can, I'll try and show you a lower vision or a lower view of it. Here's the wing, of course. Here's the wing garage. Fully locked up and chained up and with our secret security thing in it, A. That's A. And that's B. I'm hand-free, it's fantastic, you know, having to hold the damn phone. That's C, so A4 would be shelving A, level 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you know where to get it, A4. And these have been, it was a cracking idea. It took ages to do. And this all here is shelving C, all the way to the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shelves. So we've got C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6 and C7 down there. Yeah. And that's also a great, you know, but there's nothing like looking, you know, it's a bit of a bummer when you're searching for something specifically, but I do like just going through them, you know. Right, now we'd ordinarily go out that way, but the big door is shut on it. Here we are, and then that's shut. And we do watch your comments, we do enjoy your comments, and yes, it looks like it's been ransacked, but believe you me, I am working on it. I know you don't believe me, but I am. I'm working on it. I'm working on it. I'm trying to, here's me taps and dies. I don't like them doubled up. Oh, I hate it. So we're going to build some more shelves there, kick that out to the back there. Yeah. Let's have a look around here. This cupboard. What does this look like when you open the cupboard? Usually something goes bang inside here. No. This is that cupboard. Put that stuff in. Some of my wrenches there. Some collection, all that sort of a stuff. And you're pretty much up to, of course, we've got television and we've got music. You see, got speakers everywhere. Speakers in the roof, see, speakers in the corner, speakers here. Yeah, we've even got a speaker around here. Yeah, which is now underneath there, look. We've got a speaker under there. And of course, nuts and bolts. And yeah, nuts and bolts. Fixings. Whatever I can find, whatever I get given, whatever I can land on, whatever I buy. And of course, the drawers. This is the extension. This is the other side of the Goldwing garage. Yeah. And of course we've got now, so in your 360, look down now then, and you can see inside cupboards. These are all them inside there. Whatever's, pick a one, whatever's on the lid is on the inside. Whatever's on the lid is on the inside. You know the ones with the sticky labels? They were really good, they were clear, but then they changed the labelling so the sticky labels go with one on the lid. Just got to choose where to get your jars from, what to do with them. So they're all full of, can you see? They're all full of stuff, and you wouldn't be, you've seen them, haven't you? Well, you wouldn't be doing a good job if you didn't have plenty in reserve, just in case. You never know when the next sack full of nuts and bolts are going to arrive. I'm going to be sorting, and there is a fair bit more to come yet. Yeah. So, and we saw this the other day, so hopefully we've changed the settings and you see this a bit better. And here is part of the back. This was up there, which meant those shelves there, but we've changed. All those shelves have gone to the back. There is a lot of stuff from here that's going to go to the back, and we're going to put the wrench. The plan is to put the wrenches, all the little and the older wrenches, they're all going to go down there. Yeah. Right. Let's see how that works. Can I get you out without breaking my neck? Let's go and take this now to Debbie, and she'll make a film of it.